You're watching Makayla's Playground, and today we're playing plunger pants, and I'm back with my mommy and daddy.
Hi everyone.
Welcome back.
And here,
plumber pants.
plumber pants, I mean. And here's plumber pants.
Wait.
This is a really.
It's also called Craquet de Plombier.
No, it's not. Plumber pants.
Okay, well I don't know. That's what,
Plumber
it says.
pants.
That's what it says on the box.
So I know how to. So there's this guy with a little, with like this in the back, and you have to put like one of these hooks on right here, and you have and you have like pick this. I didn't know what this is called. Maybe a key. This is a roller, a wrench, and a hammer. So Daddy doesn't let me use nails or hammers because he does silly pants. And sometimes our toilets get plugged, and Mommy uses a plunger.
Good job.
So we're all gonna be terrible.
TMI. Okay. All right. Let's get. So I don't know how to play the game still, but
Daddy
it
has no
sounds like
idea how to
fun.
play. Real quick, let me just tell them too real fast, okay?
Okay.
So plumber pants. So the whole part, this whole game is this plumber is in here trying to fix the faucet, and we put water in here.
Okay.
So we need to put some water in there, fill it up, and set it up to where we each take a turn grabbing the tool. Oh, we have to actually put his pants back up. We have to we have to hook the tools onto his tool belt.
Yeah.
And when it gets too heavy,
it ejects, and the water comes like.
yes.
So 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Okay.
Okay. So
Let's go ahead. Let me first.
ready?
Hold on.
Play rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
You go ahead and you guys do it while I fill it up. I'll
Wait.
go last. It's okay.
Wait, it's okay.
So if anyone has had a plumber in their house, this is the experience he usually had.
Okay. So let me make sure it's on right. Hold on. Oh.
Ready?
So Makayla will go first.
Ready? 1,
Rock,
2,
paper, scissors, go.
No, we have to do 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I broke both these, so go first.
Mom,
Okay,
the
now
youngest
who?
should
Now
go.
who?
The youngest should go.
Okay, why do we even play? I
Okay,
don't
you
know.
can go.
No, the youngest.
You can go
First,
The
second,
oldest.
third.
The oldest goes first. Who goes first? The oldest?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, which is Mom. You're the oldest.
Oh.
You're 40 years old and she's 39. I'm 6.
Thank you.
Thanks
But
everyone.
I feel like I'm 26.
Yeah, you are not a human.
Oh, thank you.
You're a grown up.
Okay, can I
thank you.
play now? Okay, ready?
I feel like a grandpa.
You are.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, okay.
Can I go?
Michaela's turn.
Okay.
Go ahead and leave it there so they can see a little bit of what's going on. Okay, Daddy's turn.
So does it usually wait till the whole belt is filled, or you never know?
You never know. Watch out.
Oh,
I want
it
to stand
went down.
back.
It
You
went
might want to
down.
stand back, Makayla, when somebody does this.
Get it.
Try to make it balance out a little.
It didn't get me.
It got me.
Okay.
Mommy lost.
I lost
Okay.
that round.
So that spreads a lot of water everywhere.
It does, huh?
Okay, let's go again.
Okay, so let me pour more water.
Okay.
It says to fill it up each time. You want to get full effect every time.
I feel like I have a baby sloth on me.
I feel like I have a baby sloth on me.
Okay, so since I lost that round, do you want to go first now?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna play 5 rounds. This is the second round.
Okay.
Once again, another fun
Hold on.
game night. Okay.
Okay.
Ooh.
Right.
Okay.
The hammer's not that heavy.
Oh, this is a flathead screwdriver. Oh, that went down a little bit.
Mommy, you don't need to go. Mommy, I think this one you have.
You want me to pick the heaviest one?
No, nobody haven't do the.
Yeah,
The
the
red-
heaviest one. The wrench.
This is the heaviest one.
Uh oh, here we go.
No,
Gosh,
the
I'm
wrench.
like right in the line of fire. Oh, it's going down.
Oh.
Come on, Makayla, your
One.
turn.
Use the green one. The green one's the littlest one.
Yeah, use that.
I hate losing.
I know, but
Okay.
we all gotta do it sometimes.
So I'm winning.
So Daddy will go first this time.
And each of the tools has a little bit
Mommy,
different
I need
weight
a
to
drink
it.
of water
So
right back.
that'll also
Hold on.
affect the game.
We all need a drink of water.
Everyone drinks water.
Everyone stay hydrated.
Wow. Staying hydrated.
Sometimes I get thirsty that time.
No, she's okay. Third round, we'll let Daddy go first.
Whoever wins gets to eat Sour Patch.
Oh, I love
Wins?
it.
Or
Loses.
loses.
Wins.
That's not really a challenge
Okay.
for a loser, to be quite
Okay,
honest.
green.
With you.
Okay, who's going next?
Because those are good. It's your turn first.
I did.
Oh, you did? Okay. Makayla. We'll go this way now.
I would always want to do the hammer.
Ooh.
Cheater, I don't think. Okay. Daddy's turn. Are you guys trying to get me to lose?
Oh!
What?
Mommy goes first.
No, it's your turn now.
Your turn.
Your turn.
No!
Pick the hammer. It's the lightest one. Okay, try the hammer.
No. Wait,
Okay.
wait. How? No, Mommy goes first. I want to be nice.
Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
good. You're so nice.
Thank you. I
Here
think
we
I'll
go.
do the measuring
Take
tape.
the
Okay,
heavy.
here we go.
Oh.
That sprays a lot of water.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Okay.
Thanks a lot, Makayla.
Wow, she was so nice.
Yeah, thank you for letting me go. So I could lose.
So you could almost...
So, 2, 1, 0.
The hero.
Losing, I mean.
Okay.
2-1, right? 3 games. So,
Yeah.
fourth game,
Okay, here we go.
fourth round. Fourth round.
After I need another drink of water.
Oh, because you've been working. Gotta stay hydrated, huh?
I've been working on my time machine.
Oops.
Oh, she was
time.
working on it. So she's working on a time machine.
Hold on, let me get
No,
some of this off.
What is it called?
Oops, I put too much water.
it's a toy machine. It makes toys.
Oh.
And we have to record that next time.
Oh,
I
so
mean
stick around.
tomorrow. So we can see. I only need to be on the channel because I'm the only one building.
Oh.
Oh,
A solo.
excuse
A
us.
solo appearance.
I may need a
Wow. You should do a water drinking commercial. Wow.
toilet paper, cereal, like that.
Huh?
Twisted toothpaste.
Here.
Target brand is only on Statue of Liberty. Liberty.
She's doing a commercial.
Oh, she just did a commercial.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, guys, if you need someone in your next commercial, we got it right here.
Joe!
Okay, go.
Yeah, okay.
That's a good hammer.
I want to bid it right in the middle because I'm in the middle.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, what?
Why do they have blue?
Daddy leaves so much editing for Mommy with all these yarns.
Okay. No, sloth.
Wait. She is a baby sloth. My turn?
Yeah.
Cheaters.
Take the heavy.
No, don't be mean. This is actually heavy. Hold on.
No, you can't cheat.
I'm not cheating. You're
Wait,
the
the one you grab is the one you
Okay, your turn. Or Daddy's turn. Daddy's
Wait,
turn.
Daddy's.
So people or kids make up rules as they go. Okay, wait, let me see. Ooh, so strategically, if I put it right here. Whoa, look at that. Okay, go.
Your turn. And I'm not taking a turn this time.
Be careful. Gentle, put it on
you,
gentle.
sister.
So gentle.
Hey, she took that one off.
Hey, cheater.
Put it back on. Put it back on.
Uh-oh.
Okay, round 5?
Round 5.
Okay, so we're gonna play by the rules.
Okay, Makayla just went. Okay, Dad's turn.
Okay, my turn.
Yeah. Yeah, she's right. She went first.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay, Makayla goes next. After you, because you're so hydrated. Okay.
Dad, I need to go now.
Oh, okay.
You lost one.
Sometimes you gotta take over the team. Alright.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you want to watch another Makayla Plumber Pants and Makayla video.
Or what else is it called, Joe?
Plumera de... Oh, Craqueado de Plumera. So...
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you want to watch another Plumber Pants Makayla video, touch here and subscribe.
And like.
And like to my channel. And give your daddy a torch on this way.
Alright guys.
This is torturous. Thank goodness she wants to do the next one alone.
Alright guys, we had fun. Enjoy the time with your family. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
Say bye.
Say bye.
And get sprayed by wood.
Oh.